Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start with safety and a small action drain. Because heat locks pressure, make sure the engine is cold, then carefully remove the radiator cap to relieve residual pressure. Once done, place a drip pan under the hose and use hose pliers to grasp the clamp, pinch spring clamps, or position pliers on tabs if present. If it's a screw-style clamp, turn the screw counterclockwise. These first moves free the clamp so you can slide it away from the fitting. Once the clamp is loosened, slide it at least 1 to 2 inches down the hose away from the metal fitting so you can access the junction. You should twist and pull the hose gently to break the compressed seal rather than yank it. Twisting breaks adhesion and reduces tearing. Make sure you support the radiator neck or metal pipe with your other hand to avoid bending or cracking it and catch coolant drips. If the hose resists, work around the circumference with a flat screw. After the hose lip clears the fitting, slide the clamp completely off and set it aside for replacement or cleaning. You should inspect both the hose end and fitting for corrosion, swelling, or cuts so you can replace defective parts. If you drained any coolant, cap the radiator and plan to refill and bleed the system. If a clamp won't budge, use a clamp cutter or carefully score a screw clamp and pry it open, making sure not to nick the hose or the metal neck. This is the single best.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.